na napakaswerte mong nakapag-cover ng Paris Olympics, no? Pero alam natin na pag nag-cover ng malaking event na ganyan na maraming ganap, ang laki rin ng pressure at halos walang pahinga, no? Sinong kasama mo nag-cover at paano kayo nag-prepare?
Well, ang cameraman ko, Sir Howie, si Rico Banwa. You may know him. Si Rico Banwa, kaming dalawa lang actually ang nagpunta doon. So it's a two-man team for GMA Integrated News, GMA Network in general. Um, and well, mahaba yung preparation period kasi I went there as officially under as Philippine Olympic Committee media delegation kasi because of the restrictions of the IOC and yung mga allowed lang na pwedeng bigyan ng credentials, and limited lang siya to accommodate journalists from both print and TV. So mahaba yung preparation, Sir Howie, mga buwan. Siguro more than 6 months kasi I remember attending meetings with the POC, with our desk editors. Yan, sila Ma'am Tech, sila the sports edit. We have a sports desk now, by the way.
So what were you able to see, do, and experience na hindi nabawal sa karaniwang media doon?
Okay, kasi yung aking ID allows me to go to the mix zone. Mix zone is the area where lahat ng atleta after ng game nila are required to pass and we can do interview. So not all media people na nagko-cover doon allowed sila sa mix zone. So that's one. So doon pa lang meron na akong guaranteed interview. Not necessarily video because yung video is reserved for the media rights holder, and in this case it's another of our colleagues na meron dito sa Philippines, not GMA, but we can record audio, we can take photos, and do interviews, which I did. So that's one. Mixo, napaka laking bagay na yon. Allowed din kami to go to the Media Tribune. Media Tribune is where ito yung mismong, para kung may ticket, nanonood sa mismong game. So it's a very, parang talagang ang lapit niya, para siyang VIP ticket na ang lalaki. Hindi lahat din ng media meron nun. Sometimes you need to get a day pass. It has to be approved pa by the media IOC members doon sa venue. So ayun.
So lahat ng sporting events ay may ganung section, no, para sa nagko-cover at para sa mga katulad mong affiliated sa POC. So you had kumbaga ringside seat to historic sporting events at the Olympics.
Absolutely, sir. Sobrang I was able to watch the Team USA, Team France finals, all access doon kahit na that's very high demand games. I had access doon sa lahat ng championship ng games natin ng Filipino athletes, pati kay Simone. Yun nga lang, sir, because I'm not IOC, ang International Olympic Committee, merong rule na ang pwede lang kumuha ng video on the playing field or the media rights holder. But still, mas madali siyang isulat for a reporter like me na nakita ko siya up close. For example, yung kay Carlos Yulo, yung first lahat ng laban niya, of course, yung two finals, no, yung men's floor and yung the following day yung men's vault. So I was witness to that. Nasa media tribune ako noon. Nakikita ko lahat ng anggulo, pati yung mga reaction ni Kaloy instantly. I can tweet about it. I was tweeting about it because I can do that while I cannot share videos.